Moving on to our next package.
Okay.
This one comes from our very dear friend in Texas, Mr. Eugene Castles.
Eugene, hey! There it is.
Hope to see you soon, Eugene.
Yes, indeed.
I saw Eugene in the chat earlier. I hope he's still with us.
Eugene?
Pipe up if you're there, boss.
You know, matter of fact, I want to show you something else, you guys. This morning when I got out of the house, I walked out with this T-shirt. The 150 mile per hour club, and this was given to me by Eugene.
Awesome.
But it was 10 degrees Celsius this morning. Then I went back in and put on another shirt. I said, you know what? Anyways, it's cold over here, man. Summer, what summer?
Like Nick always says, June here in Quebec is another winter month.
Or Canada.
It's going to be warm next week, I promise.
Well, we got a lot of rain so far.
Well, I don't care the cold. I don't just
Want the rain. That's right. We could take the cold, keeps the cars cool.
Okay. Every package comes with a letter.
Gotta love those letters.
Dive into the gifts.
Okay, here it is. This is from Eugene.
Nice handwriting.
This is something special. Dear Nick and crew, see, we're always included. That is so cool, man.
That's very nice.
That is so cool. Thank you, Eugene. I hope that you guys enjoy the T-shirts. Extra, extra large, George and Tom. Extra large, Robert. Large, Manny Maverick. M, medium for Nick. And S, no, medium. And small for Nico.
Yeah, you're small.
Hey, Eugene, you missed anybody. He's got everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you. He must have watched the live show that we had with naming everybody's sizes.
That's right.
Eugene, you're pretty cool, buddy.
Pay attention.
He's paying
And just want to say, just a little something that I wanted to do, show my appreciation for all the hard work that was done on my 500. And also in the box is I had an order from Spring that had the defective lettering. Maybe you could get credit for it. The new hat you sent to me means a lot because it was signed by you. Take care, Nick. I hope that you have a great time at Carlisle. I know that you can't wait until you get back to Paulos on vacation. Signed, Eugene. Thank you, Eugene.
Let me just explain what he was talking about at the end there, Nick. He sent us back one of the hats he was kind enough to buy from Teespring.
Okay.
However, it wasn't printed very well. This was back when they first started making the hats. They were kind of crummy.
There.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Some people sent them back and they did a much better job.
It's not
the
like
new
ours.
hats are much better. We've changed the way they're printing and they don't look like this crap anymore.
This is pretty bad.
We're embarrassed by this. Sorry you got this, Eugene, and we're even more sorry that they never refunded you like they were supposed to.
I'm going to have a...
But you sent one signed.
I'm going to give them a piece of my mind in the email again, but they're a difficult company. I get the feeling that they're mostly computer controlled over there.
You can't read it.
No.
You can't read it at all. Look how bad it is.
Yeah, it was not the best.
Anyways.
What happened was, here's the long story.
Okay.
We started with the embroidered projects. They looked great. And then they changed their machine and they lowered the resolution and it started looking crummy. But they never told us until my customer started complaining, which is not the way you want to find out.
No.
So we made a bunch of complaining. We changed our design to simplify it so it will now work with their new embroidery machine. We took out the small text is what we did, and now it looks a whole lot better.
Keep it more simple and more perfect. Yeah. That's good, George.
So much apologies. If anybody else had a similar difficulty, please let me know about it. My email's right there on the About page, biggeorge@videotron.ca, and we will make it right one way or the other.
See what's on it.
This is...
We should open one.
Yeah, go ahead. Please. It's for us.
Guys.
Okay, what size is that?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it's awesome.
2XL.
2XL. Tom. Where's Tom?
Nick, we've got to mention the gentleman who designed this shirt, Mr. Robin McLean.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
That's right, Robin.
Robin McLean.
Okay, here. That's Tom's, right? Let's pull them out, you guys. We're all here tonight. Wow, here it is.
Dedicated.
Okay.
I'm a 2X as well, so I'll grab Tom's. And
this is cool, man.
2XL.
2XL.
Thank you very much.
This one is, let me see.
I'm going to show the folks the design here.
Black.
Beautiful design.
Small.
Oh, it's written on, okay.
Small is for Nico.
Really looks
You got small?
Large.
Large?
That's Robert.
And there's
Robert? Large?
That's the website where you get
Wait.
Large is Manny.
Manny and Maverick are large. Robert extra large?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so here you go.
Extra large?
You know, we're down in Carlisle. I'm going to go through in my car right away.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one for Carlisle.
That's great.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan. We're going to wear them at the Carlisle.
Thank you very much, Mr. Eugene.
Thank you. Thank you immensely.
Medium.
That's mine. That's mine. This is cool.
Thank you, Eugene. Very,
Eugene,
very
thank you very much.
I'll put Tom's in the box.
That color on that Charger, remember I always ranted and raved about it.
It is. That's his car. It's right there. Too bad it's covered. I'll take the cover off. We'll show a sample of it.
My
The
Duster-
Charger 5. You know, people forgot about that car. We built
one?
it over a year ago.
We don't
The
forget
Charger
it.
500.
Everybody
we don't
comes
forget.
in here, looks at it.
We walk under it every day.
And with all that equipment, you think they couldn't get under there?
No.
They shimmy slide between engines just to get there, to take a look.
I have to admit that every visitor that comes by, they look underneath that car.
Of course.
That's
It's
sweet.
beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, my Duster is this color. I love this color, but you know, aside from that yellow is breathtaking.
But I think that color wouldn't work on a Charger.
No,
My
it's too big.
My
It's too
opinion.
big. But the color's correct. It's good on that color.
On that car, yes.
Nice.
And it's ready for Eugene. It's all yours.
Is he coming up to get it?
I think it will.
We're looking forward to seeing you, buddy.
Lots of
sir.
people have been asking, where's Eugene? When's he going to get his car? We don't want to go into personal details, but he's taking care of things that matter a lot.
Good.
And he is going to come and get his car.
Anyways, the car's here. It's not going
When he
anywhere.
comes here, he's getting a nice steak here.
Okay.
We're going to take him out for supper.
Yes. And
Oh, you bet.
You bet.
You bet.
Careful
You
not
know,
to bang
okay.
too much.